Hello, welcome to this exciting journey into the world of Apple Clips, where creativity meets education. I'm Ed, and I'm here to guide you on how to use Apple Clips so you can empower your students to become creative storytellers. In this video, we'll embark on a learning adventure discovering how to launch Apple Clips, understanding the Clips interface, adding media to your project, some basic editing such as trimming and rearranging clips, and finally, exporting your project as a video. Apple Clips is a fantastic tool for making engaging videos right from an iPad. Find the Apple Clips icon on your desktop and tap the icon to launch the app. Let's explore the interface. To the right of the video canvas is the red record button. The camera chooser button allows you to switch between the front-facing camera and the back camera. The shutter button allows you to take a photo. The effects button opens a menu with different effects that you can add to your clip. With the media library icon, you can add a photo or video from your photo library, or you can add a poster, which are title screens you can add to your video, and some posters feature animation. To the top left of the video canvas, you will see the project icon where you can create a new project or select a project that you have already created. On the top right, you can change the aspect ratio for your video. Next to the aspect ratio is the music icon where you can add music to your project. To the bottom right is the share icon where you can save your project, share your project, and save your project as a video. Project starts with the front-facing camera. Tap the camera chooser button to switch to the back camera. To start, tap the red record button to capture a video. Hold it down to record and release it to stop. To record continuously, tap and hold the red record button and swipe left. Then tap the record button to stop recording. If you want to delete a clip, tap the clip thumbnail. A menu will appear. Tap delete icon on the menu, then tap delete clip. You can add photos and videos from your camera roll by tapping the media library icon. Then tap on Photos. Tap on the photo or video you want to add, and then tap on Add. You can add media in two different methods. Either simply select the media you want and tap Add to Project, or you can tap Preview and Record if you want to zoom in or out of a photo. Select the length of time the photo is in the project, or voice over the photo. Artwork on the second floor. Again, you can add a video by tapping on Add to Project. CPS is home to some incredible artwork. Or you can tap Preview and Record if you want to zoom in or out of the video, or remove the audio from the video and voice over the video. CPS is home to me describing the artwork. We will explore two basic editing tools. The first is trimming a clip. To trim a clip, tap the clip you want to trim on the timeline. Then tap the trim button. When you touch one of the ends of the clip, a yellow trim box will appear. Drag the yellow handles to adjust the start and end points of your clip. Tap on Trim to accept your changes. Next, we will look at rearranging clips. To rearrange the order of your clips, tap and hold the clip you would like to reposition and drag the clip to the new position. Finally, when you are ready to share your video, tap on the Share button and choose Save Video. Your video is now saved to your photo library.